In this video, we will generate the Shopify Access token that will not expire and you can use that forever. So it will be permanent access token. For that, you need to click on settings, then click on apps, and then click on develop apps. After that, build apps in dev dashboard. Click on that, create a new app. Let's say permanent access token. The app name, you can name it anything you want. Once the app is created, you need to define the scopes. What kind of scopes do you need? For example, you need products, read and write products from the admin API. You need customers, read and write customer from the admin API, and orders, read and write orders from the admin API. So once you select the scopes, we need to give the redirect URL to generate the Shopify permanent access token. For that, you need to go to the webhook.site and they will provide you a unique URL where you can listen the webhook. So just copy this code, this URL, and paste that over here. Shopify will send the code over here, so we can use that code to generate the permanent access token. Release the version, and once the new version is released, go back to the home page of the app and install this app in your store. Before that, before installing the app, we need to make the URL and we will install the app with that URL. So for that, we need a URL something like this. Your store name .myshopify.com/admin/auth/authorize along with some parameters like client ID, the scopes, and the client URL, the client URI, and you can copy the client ID from your app. Copy the client ID and paste that over here. Similarly, you can copy the scopes. Go to the version and click on the version and copy the scopes and paste that scopes over here. Make sure there is no extra space, and the redirect URI. Again, copy the redirect URI from here, from the website webhook.site, and paste that over here. Now we need to copy this URL to install the app. Okay, open a new window and paste that URL over here, and it will install the app in your computer, in your store. Alright, now the app is asking the permission install the app. Once you install the app, change the response in the webhook site. So we get the code. Okay, we get the code. This code we require to get the permanent Shopify access token. So go back to the Postman again, and this time we will be sending a request, a post request at your store name .myshopify.com/admin/auth access token along with some body and x www-form-url encoded. So in the key, you will be sending client ID and the code and client secret. So these three things you will be sending. We have the code over here. Copy this code Let's copy the code and paste that over here. You can copy the client ID and client secret from your app. Copy that from here, client ID and the client secret. Copy this and paste that over here. Okay, everything is good. Now send the request and you will be able to fetch the access token with the scope and there is no expiration. So this is the permanent access token and this is how you can generate that very easy. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.